tenían dudas del topógrafo, podían buscar uno.
So if we are on this lot, for example, building, you see our neighbors will have probably a straight roof and going down. So normally down is our parking lot, and the upper part, yeah, we won't have anyone hiding our view. This one, it's a guarantee. Let's go in the lot. So I will say I'm taking the terrace the same level as my neighbor. So yes, this tree will disappear. So the view is perfect. So we are 6 meters, 4 meters above the road now. So if I go a few meters more, yeah, so here I'm the balcony of the second level. So I will see the roof of my neighbor. Probably the lot below us will be probably better, it falls more after. So this lot will probably have like a better view to have no blocked. But those one here, those 3 lots, normally will have like perfect view, and yeah, so the one in front also could have good view. Okay, we see with the master map, and we try to see which lot has the best view and will be non-blockable. Great. So here's some worker, and we have so be next to us one of the construction. We could go to see it quickly, trying to hurry up so don't make the video too long for you. Plop, plop, plop. Wow, so here you see a large pool. I like the big iron steels they use to make the construction and the frame. Yeah, on their side, of course, no one will block their view. So those guys have a post here, sad. But if not, I would say no worry. Because then you have a construction could be here, yeah. So of course it could be a house everywhere, but okay.